Hi, it's Ronnie, and welcome to my channel. And to Christmas in June. I'm going to scrap this picture. I've had it for a long time. The girls are pretty small there. They had taken it at a Christmas work party, and they're the ones who had it printed with the blue border around it. And so many times I've thought about cutting that blue off, but some of the little stars go onto the picture. And I would have had to crop the picture so close to everybody just to get rid of the stars that I just left it on, left it in the baggie that it originally was in, and didn't do anything with it. But this collection does have some blue in it, not the royal looking blue like the is around the picture, but it's still blue. So I'm going to go with it and use it on my layout and pull out the blues that I can find that's in this kit so that I can use it with this picture and get it scrapped finally. We were at a skate party, so the girls had their first time skating. Yeah, that was a chore, keeping up with twins. That little with skates and holding on to their hands. At least they let you walk out there on the floor in your tennis shoes. At one time they didn't. When my kids was little, I had to wear skates and skate with them to teach them how to skate. But they finally started letting people walk out there. I guess maybe a bunch fell or something. I don't know. But I could skate. I didn't have a problem skating back then. But now that I'm older, I think about falling and not being able to work. And I can't afford to go without work. So I don't have the confidence to skate. Although I never actually fell. One time my son came sliding into me, hit the side of my skate, knocked my feet out from under me, and we both fell. But I had a lot of help falling that time. Um, I took that border punch and it's really lacy looking, and it's made for a ribbon to go through it. I don't know if I've ever put a ribbon through it. I've always put paper through it. So I layered the blue striped sticker on white, then I put it on red to get it wide enough to look pretty good inside there. And because of all the layers from it, it kind of made it thick and bulky. So I am putting foam tape behind my picture. In a little while, I'll think, oh, well, I know it's going to go there. I might as well take the foam tape, release paper off of it, and actually adhere it down. But for now, it's going to sit there just for a little while. I'm going to use this banner, and I did have some red and white twine, and I'm going to put it on there, and all it says is jolly. The first one has some holly with it, so maybe it's meaning holly jolly. I don't know, but it don't have holly on the other end, so I'm kind of wondering if they meant holly jolly. I put it down first without the foam tape, but then I thought, no, I think I'd like the foam tape, give it a little more dimension. And so yeah, it's getting foam tape on it. And I planned I'm putting bows on each end of that banner, but I forgot. They never did go on there. And they're still not on there, so I don't, chances are they're not going to. I think it looks all right without it. I pulled this sticker out, and I'm going to put it up in the upper left-hand corner, and it just names off the reindeer, and it says Dasher, Dancer, Donner, Vixen, Comet, Cupid, Prancer, Blitzen, and the red-nosed one. Instead of Rudolph, it says and the red-nosed one. Yeah, I put a piece of white paper behind the picture too because it's kind of on the thin side. It was printed at Walmart. I think Julie was probably the one there with the camera and just took pictures and probably brought her camera from home. I know one year she even had her cell phone taking the pictures. So they're not always the best pictures, but they're still the memory. So this one is a little bit, well, the lighting is horrible in there. I cannot, no matter how expensive a camera I take in there, I cannot take good pictures in there. It's just really bad. And so I guess this is pretty good for what you can get in there. I had that acetate, and I've had it for a long time. It came in like there was like 5 or 6 in a package, and I've used a few, and I put it all the way down behind the picture, making it look like it spanned the whole thing. But I kept looking at it and think it looked crooked. And looking at it now, I don't think it looks so bad, but I'm going to end up removing the bottom part because I just could not figure out how to get it any straighter. I tried moving it a few times and couldn't get, and I used the T-square ruler each time, and it still looked like it was straight with the ruler. But then when I pulled the ruler off, it didn't. So I finally will give up and take the bottom part off. Then I didn't have to worry anymore. I took the easy way out. I took the very last bit of all that strip that went inside the ribbon holder, and this part didn't have no white on it, but why throw it away? So I did it with my layering with my present and put a sticker that says Dear Santa with it. I thought, well, I'm going to try it over here towards the middle, see how it looks. And I didn't like it. So it's going to go over to the right a little. Yeah, right there. It's going to go right there. And I think I'll be done with my, and yeah, that's it. I am done with my layout. I still have loads and loads of Christmas pictures to scrap. So the 25th of the month, we all get together and take care of something that we didn't get took care of last year. And of course, this was many years, many years I didn't get it took care of. So this one is scrap now, using the 25th of the month. And this month is Christmas in June. But I want to thank you all so very much for watching. And if you leave a comment below, I'll get back with you. And if you like the video and hit a thumbs up, I'd appreciate it. If you are not subscribed to my channel, I'd love to have you subscribe. And those of you who are, thank you so much. But be sure to check out the links below for all the other guys to see what they did this month, taking care of stuff that they didn't get done last year or maybe the year before or the year before that, and so on. But yeah, check down below and see who else in the hop this month. Thanks for watching. Have a happy, scrappy week. Take care and stay safe. Bye.